Crikey, mate, I've made a fantastic discovery. A discovery that the Incas knew 2,000 years ago and helped them build and support a massive empire. Llama manure. Oh, the greatness of this as a fertilizer has been a long lost secret until now. Archaeologists just discovered the llama manure was the fertilizer of choice for the Inca Empire. And here's the great news. You can get that secret treasure for your plants now with Peruvian gold. Oh, an organic liquid fertilizer, which is a micro builder. It is one of the best organic fertilizers in the world. And it is derived from llama manure. Oh. It is used in all horticultural systems, from outside gardens to hydroponic systems. Once it is used on a plant, oh mate, the plant just grows crazy, producing foliage, fruits, vegetables, or flowers. Mate, do you and your plants a favour with Peruvian gold. Benefit from the secrets of the ancients and grow rich and healthy plants. Mate, Peruvian gold, your plants will love you for it.